Hello guys again, welcome to the second tutorial on C#. And I've made some adjustments here in our Visual Studio window. I have the toolbox here hidden in the side, as well as the properties and the Solution Explorer. They are both on the sides, so you have a little more space to work with. And this is where we left off. This was our calculator, but it wasn't functioning. So that is what we are going to do. Well, just right click on this form and view code, click it, and this is the code behind all that. So let's start by creating two variables, three I guess, and those variables are int and nr1, which we are not going to initialize, int nr2 as well, and int total. And these are our variables. And now we go back to our design and we double click the calculate button, and what that does is that creates a method that once our button got clicked in our application, we can send it to do something. And the first thing we need to set up, it's the nr1 will get the value that is inside the number one text box. So number one dot text, and this won't work because the text that is inside the text box, it's a string and we want it to be an int. So to do that, just write convert dot in to int 16 and put some brackets around it. And now the nr1 variable will get the value inside the text box, and we can now copy this and paste it and do the same to the number 2 text box and to the number 2 variable. And now we need 4 if statements, and those are very easy to do. Just write if the radio button plus dot checked. So if the radio button plus is checked, we can go and say the total it's equals to nr1 plus nr2, and then we can say text total, it's dot text, of course it's gonna be equal to the total. But this won't work because our total variable it's an int. So write total dot toString. And now copy this 3 more times and change the rb to rb dot not dot underscore minus, and just change that to that, and this to mult, rb mult, and change this to a multiplying sign, and this one to rb underscore div, and just add a slash to that. As you can see, we have no errors, so let's run it and let's test it. Okay, let's see. Number 1, 5. Number 2, 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now 5 minus 5 equals 0. Now let's make an easy one. 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. So if I hit multiplying, 10. And now let's divide them, not a fractionary number, I think that's how you call them. Let's try to divide 9 by 3 and we should get 3. So very simple calculator. Don't try to add numbers with commas because the calculator is not programmed to do that. But yeah, very easy. And the code isn't that big, just some if statements. Yeah, very easy calculator. It just shows how can I say this? Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I'm sorry for uploading it really late. I try to get a constant number of days in between every episode. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. And yeah, one more thing. Facebook and Twitter links to my Facebook and Twitter of this channel are in the description. You can check them out if you want. So yeah, until the next episode guys, peace out.